Well, there are a number of defenses available to insurance companies. It's helpful to think about them in terms of policy defenses and then defenses that are related either to the accident and how it occurred or to the claims being made by a particular party. Policy defenses include things like the driver involved in the accident was not an insured person under the policy, that they were excluded as an insured under the policy. Another policy defense that you would see would be that the vehicle that was being operated at the time of the accident was excluded from the policy and is not an insured vehicle. Another defense that comes up from time to time is that the policy has been canceled for non-payment of premium, or the policy lapsed at the end of its term and was not renewed, so that the policy was not enforced on the date of the accident. Those are three examples of policy type defenses. There are also defenses related to the accident itself. For example, if the driver who is making the claim was at fault in causing the accident, then if that driver was 100% at fault in causing the accident, there is no recovery. His claim is going to be barred because he was 100% at fault in causing the accident. But if he was only partially at fault, the insurance company will raise as a defense comparative fault, seeking to reduce the amount of the claimant's recovery by the percentage of fault that's assigned to that particular claimant. Another example of a defense that they will raise sometimes in connection with the claims made is that the plaintiff or the claimant failed to mitigate their damages. And essentially what this means is that the damages would have been less had the claimant taken certain actions earlier on. For example, if a person ends up with a herniated disc in an automobile accident and they need surgery to repair the disc, but they refuse to have the surgery and the injury continues on and they're suffering pain and disability as a result of the injury, then by refusing to have that surgery, the insurance company will argue that you failed to mitigate your damages, that once you refuse the surgery, we're not responsible for anything that happens after that.